Since 1955, that's the year my mom was born.
Wow, they've been doing this a long time.
Oh wait, no, that's just the center of them where they came.
Oh, okay.
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast, big creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.
Hey there, BC here from Doing the Most. I'm here with my friend Garrett from Made Mead.
Hello.
And we're just going to quick talk about Hoppy Camper Homebrew Expo. We went to it last year.
Yes, we were visitors, partakers, some might say.
Yeah, some might say. I would say
I partook.
that you partook. So it's this thing where there's like 25, 30 different people
Yes.
behind tables serving delicious homemade and some commercial made.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
alcohol. Mostly beer, but there's a lot of mead and there's some wine that's available.
Yep.
And we went and it was like, I don't know, $40 or something like that to get in. You get a t-shirt and you get a little taster.
Yep.
And that's like literally unlimited.
Yep.
You go and you like take your little 3-ounce thing to every table and they'll pour you stuff and you taste it. And what was cool is you got to vote for your favorites.
Yeah, you get little bottle caps and you go along, you're like, hey, I really like this. And the people there, the bottle caps are coveted. It was like,
business.
I mean, they were like, hey, you got that cap.
Hey,
you know, they were ready. So,
I heard you got some caps.
So, you know, if you are around, you got that cap.
Yeah, no. Super fun. We were there for a couple hours. There was like food trucks, so you can get food while you're there. And they encourage you to get a campsite and camp.
Yep.
It's literally in the name, Hoppy Camper. Are we gonna go camping? We're just gonna drive back here? We're gonna be there this year serving.
What?
Yeah.
No.
So we got so inspired last year that we said, you know what, sign us up for a booth. So we talked to the brew shop here in Oklahoma City. We got a booth. We're going to be serving session meads from 4 to 8 p.m.
What can the
15th.
people anticipate you bringing, BC?
I'm going to bring a hopped hydromel, my recipe.
The hopped hydromel,
hopped
right? This is
hydromel.
the world famous one.
It is world famous, actually.
Yeah.
And actually more world famous, the crispy session mead. My
It's fun to say
hydromel.
more world famous.
It's more world famous than the other one.
More.
Those two recipes are from my channel.
Yep.
What are you bringing?
I am bringing
Sir?
the apple and cinnamon that you might have seen that I have talked about for too many years of my life.
My favorite thing that you make.
I would say it's probably my favorite too.
We'll
for
be
sure.
rolling in with 15 gallons of session mead and a kegerator and serving all evening long.
And we're not, while we want you to taste our stuff, there's a ton of other great home brewers there and commercial breweries. If you're not really from Oklahoma City
We had
area,
some crazy stuff last year.
there was some really interesting, awesome stuff, and so it's great.
Some good,
Some bad.
some bad. There was a jalapeno beer that was just
experimental is a great
for
word for that.
anyone.
But you can find us. We have plenty of stuff for you to try.
Yeah.
And
It's in Oklahoma, so if you're in Kansas, if you're in Arkansas, if you're in Texas,
I'm in all these
hell,
places.
if you're in New Mexico,
if you're in Colorado, just kick it with us, y'all.
if you're in Oklahoma, come down to Hoppy Camper Homebrew Expo. We're not being paid for this promotion. I had so much fun last year that I want you to come have fun with us and try our meads. Honestly, we're probably the only people that are going to be doing session meads there.
Yes.
I don't know that
I can guarantee. I'll put money down right now.
Did we have any session meads? We had mead last year.
Everything came from a wine bottle.
That's true.
So
That's true.
no session.
So you want to come down, have some session mead? We might overpour.
We'll see you there.
Hoppy Camper Homebrew Expo. It's happening April 15th, tax day, from 4 to 8 p.m.
Come celebrate.
We'll be there early in the day because we got to go set up and the kegs have to sit and do their things. We should probably bring like a bottle of bourbon or something. We're going to need something to tide us over.
We'll be toasty.
Shout out to everybody involved in making it happen, including the Brew Shop OKC. Y'all are awesome. And we'll see you there.
See you there.
We'll see you there. We'll see you there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Man, I love that.
Yes.
Cinnamon flavor is so good.